The fuel rail pressure sensor, or FRPS, is a critical component that monitors fuel pressure in your engine's fuel rail. Understanding its symptoms helps diagnose fuel system problems before they cause major engine damage. The FRPS monitors different pressure ranges depending on your fuel injection system. Port injection systems typically operate at 35 to 85 psi, while direct injection systems run at much higher pressures of 500 to 2,900 psi. When the FRPS fails, you'll notice several distinct symptoms. These include hard starting or extended cranking time, engine stalling, especially at idle, rough idling and misfires, and reduced fuel economy. You'll also experience a noticeable loss of power during acceleration, and the check engine light will activate. This warning light is your first indication that the engine management system has detected a problem. The check engine light corresponds to specific diagnostic trouble codes. The most common FRPS-related codes are P0190 through P0194. Each code indicates a different type of sensor problem, from circuit malfunctions to range and performance issues. Recognizing these FRPS symptoms early can prevent more serious engine problems. If you experience any combination of these symptoms along with diagnostic trouble codes, it's time to test and potentially replace your fuel rail pressure sensor. Testing the fuel rail pressure sensor requires a systematic approach using visual inspection, multimeter testing, and pressure measurements to ensure accurate diagnosis. Start with a thorough visual inspection of the sensor and its connections. Check for damaged wiring harnesses, corroded electrical connections, fuel leaks around the sensor mounting, and ensure the electrical connector is properly seated. Next, perform multimeter testing to verify proper electrical operation. Test the 5-volt reference signal from the engine control module, ensure ground resistance is less than 0.1 volts, and check the sensor's output voltage while varying engine RPM. Compare your multimeter readings with a mechanical fuel pressure gauge to verify accuracy. The sensor voltage should correspond directly to the actual fuel pressure measured by the gauge. Replacement becomes necessary when sensor readings deviate more than 10% from actual pressure, when there's intermittent signal loss or erratic voltage output, or when physical damage or contamination is present. When replacing the sensor, always follow best practices. Replace all O-rings and seals, use OEM or OEM equivalent sensors for reliability, perform fuel system cleaning before installation, and clear adaptive fuel trim values after replacement. FRPS-related repairs typically cost between $200 and $600, with labor comprising 60 to 70% of the total cost. Proper diagnosis and quality replacement parts ensure reliable long-term performance.